Army Hearties, this weekly review will be presented by a guest lecturer, the most fearsome professor on the seven seas, me, the dread pirate Tomlinson. So batten down the hatches and prepare to review our voyage through the seas of IT impacts. First port of call, IT stakeholders. Remember, they be everyone from software developers to end users, and even the creatures of the deep. Like a ship with many crew members, stakeholders have different needs and goals. When these conflict, it can lead to troubled waters, just like when social media platforms spread false tales across the seven seas. Second stop, life cycle assessment. A true pirate charts the entire journey of their treasure, from when it's dug from the earth to when it's buried again. LCA does the same for technology, tracking environmental effects from raw material extraction to the final burial in Davy Jones's locker. Take smartphones. They start with mining rare minerals, sail through manufacturing waters, navigate consumer usage, and end as mountains of e-waste. Understanding this voyage helps us plot a more sustainable course. Third on our map, substitution effects. When you replace old technology with new, it's like swapping a rowboat for a galleon. Potentially better, but not always. Streaming services replaced physical media like DVDs, reducing plastic waste, but the massive data centers powering them might be guzzling more energy than a crew on rum rations. Fourth destination, rebound effects. Avasti, this be Jeevan's paradox. Make something more efficient, and scallywags will just use more of it. Like when efficient LED lanterns make lighting so cheap that ships install them everywhere, using more energy overall. Efficiency without wisdom is a ship heading for the rocks. Fifth harbor, computer manufacturing and electronic waste. The making of our technological treasures requires rare earth elements, often mined at great cost to local waters and lands. Sixth landing, computing energy use. Every digital message sent, every video watched, every program run, they all require power. Data centers be like massive galleons, consuming electricity like a thirsty crew after months at sea. Some smart captains are using wind and solar power instead of burning coal in the boiler room. Seventh wonder, cryptocurrency. Bitcoin's proof-of-work system burns more energy than some entire island nations. But newer systems like Ethereum's proof-of-stake be trying to chart a more efficient course. Eighth treasure, green software engineering. Smart pirates write code that runs efficiently, using less power. By designing programs that work well on older hardware and optimizing algorithms, we can reduce the energy footprint of our digital voyages. Ninth expedition, infrastructure requirements. The physical backbone of our digital ocean, from energy supplies to data centers, must be designed with care. Some data centers now use the cold winds of the north to cool their systems instead of burning extra power. Last hideaway, large language models. These AI treasures require massive resources to train, like building an armada, and their ongoing use creates smaller but persistent impacts. The challenge for any good captain is balancing the power of these tools with their cost to our shared seas. So chart your course carefully. The greatest treasure isn't gold or technology, it's a sustainable future where all can sail freely. Yar, class dismissed, ye landlubbers.